Check it out, friends. These are True Classic t-shirts. Now, I wanted to show you just a quick closer look. These are some of our new favorite t-shirts because they fit really, really nice. So when you order a single or a 5-pack, in the case that I did, they come wrapped like this individually. There was all sorts of color options to choose from. I picked it kind of a darker version, and then the white was included as well. And I also got them in size medium. Now here's a closer look at what the shirts look like after they've been washed and out of the packaging. This is a lighter gray version of the shirt. Again, you can see it's in that size medium. Now I undulate between a medium and a large. And so this was really important. I actually went a little bit smaller than I normally do. I chose the medium and it came and it fit perfectly. It's actually a slim fitting shirt. Everything felt really good. The material feels really awesome against your skin. I washed it and it did shrink just a tiny bit. If you fluctuate between a medium and a large, I definitely would go with the medium. So definitely a thumbs up for True Classic shirts. Try them out for yourself, see what you think. Again, tons of colors to choose from. You can find them right here on Amazon.